everyone, welcome back to the channel MLT Lectures. As we are studying series of chemical examination in urine analysis, in this video we will discuss about the tests that are used to detect bile salts as well as urobilinogen. Now let's look in detail for both of these. First we will look into tests for bile salts. Firstly, there are two kinds of bile acid from which bile salts are obtained: primary bile salt acid and secondary bile salt acid. Primary bile salt acid, that are cholic acid and chenodeoxycholic acid (CDCA), that are synthesis from the cholesterol in the liver and conjugated with the glycine or a taurine, and then it is secreted into a bile. Secondly, we have secondary bile salt acid. These are the deoxycholate and lithocolate, which are formed in the colon as a bacterial metabolites of the primary bile salts. Sodium taurocholate and sodium glycochlorate are its example. Now, to detect bile salt present in the urine, we do a test called Hayes test. The principle of a Hayes test is bile salts when present decreases the surface tension of the urine. If a bile salt is present in the urine, it decreases the surface tension of the urine. For Hayes test to be done in lab, we need a beaker, urine sample and a sulfur powder. Procedure to do Hayes test: take 10 ml of urine in a beaker. Then sprinkle a dry powder, that is sulfur powder, on the surface of the urine. As a result, we can see if a bile salts are present, they sink to the bottom of the beaker, whereas if the bile salts are not present in the urine, the sulfur powder remains suspended on the surface of the urine sample. Here we can see in this slide that sulfur granules are suspended in the surface of urine sample in the bile salt negative and the bile salt positive tube. The sulfur granules are sink down below to the bottom of the beaker. Now we will learn about tests for urobilinogen present in the urine sample. For this we do Ehrlich test. Principle of Ehrlich test: the test for urobilinogen is based on the Ehrlich aldehyde reaction. Para-dimethyl aminobenzaldehyde is an acid medium with a color enhancer that react with urobilinogen to form pink color. The optimum temperature for the testing is 22 degrees Celsius to 26 degrees Celsius. Always a freshly voided sample is best for optimum result. Here the Ehrlich reagent, that is para-dimethyl aminobenzaldehyde, react with the urobilinogen if present in the urine, gives pink to red color as a positive reaction. Procedure: take 5 ml of urine in a test tube and add 5 ml of Ehrlich reagent to it. Then wait for 10 minutes. After this, add 10 ml of saturated sodium acetate solution. A pinkish color indicates the presence of urobilinogen. If porphobilinogen is present, it intensifies upon the addition of sodium acetate. Here we can see the urine plus Ehrlich aldehyde reagent gives pink color in case of normal urobilinogen, and if there is increased amount of urobilinogen in a urine sample, the color of a pink intensifies. Thank you. Hope you like the content. If you haven't seen other chemical examination of urine analysis, the description is given below in the description